Hi, I'm Jason Reeder. I'm the parts manager here at Home Appliance Company in Massillon, Ohio. Today we're going to show you how to replace this PWF01 filter in your Frigidaire refrigerator. The first step is locating your filter inside the refrigerator. To do so, we'll open up both refrigerator doors. Here we'll locate the filter in the upper right-hand corner of the refrigerator. Pulling back on the filter cover allows the filter cover to drop down. And with this filter, all you need to do is press and release the filter. Now we will unpackage the new filter. With the cardboard open, you can remove the filter and then remove the caps on the filter head. To install the filter, line up the guide with the filter head. And press the filter until it locks in place. Once it's locked in place, we can lift the cover, sliding it back to lock the cover in place. To reset the filter status, the first thing we need to do is wake up the control panel by pressing any button on the control panel. Then, placing your finger over the water filter button, hold for 3 to 5 seconds or until the lights make it all the way to the top bar. Releasing your finger, now the filter status has been reset. After the filter is replaced, it's important to purge all of the air out of the water line. The best way to do this is to use a cup or a pitcher and run approximately 1 to 3 gallons of water into the pitcher and dump that water out. We stock a full line of both water and air filters, as well as many other accessories. Hopefully this video helped you. If you have any further questions, please reach out to our service team. We'd be glad to help you.